Hi, my name is Jeremy, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the infinite energy system before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the infinite energy system is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this program is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the infinite energy system, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The infinite energy system is a step-by-step guide that will allow you to install green, cheap electricity in your home. You do not have to spend hundreds of dollars building and installing this device in your home. The guide shows you what you need and the steps necessary to create a reliable energy generator for your home. With this system, you will maximize your power output by 200% and save 50%, 67%, or even more without hiring or spending weeks building a solar panel. Once you've successfully created your power generator, you will manage to power your TVs, lamps, refrigerator, toaster, AC units, and washing machines without worrying that your electricity bill will skyrocket overnight. The infinite energy system is the best investment you can ever make because it will help you save a lot of money. The system is affordable and suitable for anyone who wants to generate clean and cheap energy. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the infinite energy system, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the infinite energy system for 2 months, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the infinite energy system, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the infinite energy system helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.